Welcome back to another episode of Wild Women Wet Shaving, and today we are talking about a company that I highly revere. They are called Kent of Inglewood, and with that, on with the show. Today we are discussing my top 5 products off Kent of Inglewood. So to start it off, we are talking about their very own starter beard care kit, coming with 3 amazing pieces. The first off being a travel case / bib, so a 2-in-1 product. Second, the Hoxton wood beard comb. And for those of you gentlemen just growing your first big beard, getting a beard comb is crucial. It helps make sure that all those strands and follicles get nicely separated, so when you're either oiling it or washing it, all those strands get equal amounts of love. The third piece in the travel kit is their tremendous beard wash, and I'm pretty sure that's the name of the beard wash, that or it could just be tremendous. Either way, I think this piece is a really good starter kit at $59, getting you into beard care, travel size, and, well, into beard care. The next piece I'm discussing is something that I genuinely think is important, and that is manicures. Because I'm always talking to you, I feel like having perfect, pretty nails is actually very important. Also for men it's important, because there's nothing worse than going on a date and seeing a guy with longer fingernails than yours. With that, I have chosen the Zwilling. Am I pronouncing that right? Either way, the typing will be down here so you can just read it. The Zwilling 5-piece manicure kit with the Ashwood base. I think having a manicure kit that fully rounds out all the things you need to do,
pushing back your cuticles, making sure that the alignment of your cuticles is really nice. Also, oiling your cuticles is also very important. Clipping your fingernails is also very important.
And having a stand to put it all on and making it look presentable is also very important. The Zwilling 5-piece manicure kit retails at $175. So it's not cheap, but your fingernails are actually a part of your resume. So yeah, do a good job and take care of them. Because this is a wet shaving channel, where would I be if I didn't talk about my favorite wet shaving tools? And because my favorite color in the entire world is purple, when I saw the Edwin Jagger Lilac long-handled safety razor, my heart skipped a beat. So with that, Edwin Jagger's beautiful lilac handle safety razor comes in at my 3rd favorite piece on Kent of Inglewood. Something that I don't talk very often about is pre-shave balms or pre-shave oils, and one of the reasons why is because I don't tend to use one. I don't find it's necessary because my leg hair isn't really coarse. So one of my favorite products that I found on Kent of Inglewood is the Coral Skin Food from Geo.F Trumper. Not just because it is a pre-shave, but because it's a post-shave as well. And with that, my 4th favorite piece is the Geo.F Trumper Coral Skin Food. I love this stuff, A, because it's glycerin based, which means it's A, absorbing water, and B, it's also keeping your skin moisturized. And I also like the fact that it's a pre and a post, so you're getting 2-in-1. Are you starting to see what I like here at Kent of Inglewood? 2-in-1 products. Number 5, I love Scuttles, and not that Scuttle, I mean the other Scuttle, the one that you lather in. Scuttles have been dating back to when wet shaving began. The ability to pour hot, searing, steeping water into this beautiful handcrafted porcelain dish, adding your favorite shave cream or soap on top, the aroma, that steam, and your shaving soap is all frothy and warm and succulent. I'm drooling at the thought. So number 5, the Lot.15 Scuttle. I would love this piece. It would be a part of my regular shave. It would cause me to shave probably every day. And I think my boyfriend would enjoy that more. But I don't, because I have you guys to think about. Before the ending of this video, I just want to go ahead and thank Nathan so much from Kent of Inglewood for not only getting back to me, but for also providing you, ladies and gentlemen, with a promotion code. And with that, use the promotion code ChapmanCollects10 to get 10% off your next pieces of Kent of Inglewood. Free shipping over $50 if you're anywhere in Canada. Because they are a Canadian-based company, they have gone out of their way to make sure that you get your pieces at a really nice price. For those of you in the United States, thank you so much for supporting local Canadian companies. We do really appreciate it, considering your dollar is a little bit better than ours. If you spend over $100 in the United States, you too receive free shipping. So go ahead and buy yourself a straight razor. And straight razors right now on Kent of Inglewood are currently on sale. So if you've been thinking about getting a straight razor, now would be the time. Just saying. Thank you again so much, Nathan. Greatly, greatly, greatly appreciated from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching Wild Women Wet Shaving, and I will see you beautiful people next Thursday. Bye!